Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, I have got no makeup on, my hair is all wet. I'm basically a bit tired of my hair. I've been dyeing it the same colour blonde for the past like 3 years, but I've always wanted to have pink hair. I love the idea of pink hair, I love pink, I love everything like that. So I basically went into town and I bought the Bleach London Gobby Pink hair dye. So today basically I'm going to be dyeing my hair pink on camera because it's something that I've really wanted to do and I thought why not. So to get straight into it, in front of me I have got a bowl. This is just a takeaway tub. I've got one of these little brushes to put it on with. I have got obviously the pink hair dye, and because it's very bright I'm going to dilute it, and to do this I have got the Tresseme conditioner. I have also got a few of these grips just to sort of section the hair out, so when I put the hair dye on it's all sectioned properly. I have got washed damp hair, as it recommends that like towel dried hair is the best to put it on. So I'm literally going to mix up the mixture and then we're going to go straight in and dye the hair pink. Okay, so the mixture is now all mixed up. I've used about 1/3 of the Bleach London bottle and half of the Tresseme bottle. And then this is the colour that I have come out with. So it's quite like a brightish pink, but not too dark. That's the sort of colour that I wanted anyway. So I'm going to pop this on now and then we're going to see what happens. Okay, so the dye is now on. This is how it is looking. So it's definitely going pink so far. It's almost looking a little bit like tangerine-y. Every time I've tried to dye my hair pink in the past, it's gone ginger. So fingers crossed it does actually go a little bit more pink this time. Gonna leave it for 25 minutes, come back after it's washed and then show you how it looks. So I've come out of the shower now, obviously washed, dried my hair and put some makeup on. And then this is how the finished result is looking. So you can see it's obviously very pink. Some parts are still slightly more on the blonde side. I think it's because they're more of a warm blonde rather than a light blonde. But to be honest with you, you can't really notice it much at all. I mean, I'm happy with it. It's a little bit different, a little bit more fun. So this is exactly what I wanted. And yeah, to do this, I did that mix of the Bleach London Gobby Pink and some conditioner. So this is my finished result. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. But I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Bye.